Hey Jihong, how are you doing recently?
Well, it's all good. I'm just trying to find a teammate for my CS130 course project, but it's hard stuff.
Yeah, me too. I'm also having trouble finding my CSE 130 final project teammates. And it has been 3 weeks since this quarter starts, and I still cannot find the right person for my final project. I'm an introvert person, and sometimes I don't like to talk to others a lot. And I feel like that it's very time consuming when I try to talk to my classmates one by one. Sometimes I spend 10 minutes with someone, and in the end, I only find that they are using different coding languages or they are using different frameworks than me. Another reason is that I'm not that person who know how to reject others. When I reject others' invitation, I'm afraid that they may feel awkward or uncomfortable. So, what's your problems when you're trying to find your teammates?
Oh well, I also trying to find teammates online, for example, using Piazza. However, it usually took a long time for you to get familiar with someone online. But then you might find that his framework skills have greater overlap with you. So that might lead to a team finally where no one really knows anything about backend, for example. That would be really awkward for a course project. Besides, I think that the group information on Piazza are not updated on time, which can put your efforts in vain. For example, every time I try to join a group, I found them either no more recruiting or my skills cannot meet their demands. I cannot be more frustrated after spending hours on Piazza to find a teammate. What a torture for me.
Yeah, I believe there must be a better tool for us to find our teammates more efficiently.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Worried about finding a teammate for project? Try groupmates.
Sherry wants to find a teammate.
Now I've logged into my dashboard. I want to first extend my basic information. I have everything else filled out already, so I want to just add something to my self-introduction area. As for my programming languages, I have a couple selections that I can choose from, but all my choices look good to me, so I don't plan on change anything. For my frameworks and libraries, I can use tags to add more, but again, those frameworks and libraries look good to me too, so I won't change anything. And for my skills, I'm pretty confident with both my front-end skill and back-end skill, so I won't change anything either, but I can easily add that too. Now I go to the users page to search for other people who are also looking for teammates. I know Anna from my last class, so I will search for her name. And she showed up. But I remember that Anna ranked pretty low in my sorting algorithm, so I won't choose Anna to send her an invitation. As we can see here, Anna only has a 43.9% match with me, but meanwhile, Emma has a much higher score than her. So I decide to check out Emma, and I look for her self-introduction and all the other informations here, and they all look pretty good to me, so I send Emma an invitation.
Emma has posted the information and been waiting to group up with someone.
So I am on and I'm checking the requests from other students right now, and I see that I received 2 requests from 2 students, one from Anna and one from Sherry, and I prefer to group with someone that has the same major with me, so I already declined the request from Anna. And for the request from Sherry, after checking her profile, I think that her skill is quite matched with what I'm looking for, so I decided to accept her request. After accepting her request, we can see that we automatically form a group with my name as a group name by default, so I will change the group name to be maybe bug maker. And our group will use Java as the main language, so I changed the language to Java, and we are looking for someone that have experience in React. So after submit the group information, I will just wait for other people to send requests to join our group.
Emily is a little lazy, and she is trying to directly join an existing group.
Now let me just sign in my account. It's already signed in. So let me just search for a group. The third group called Bugmaker. I think their programming language as well as the desired skills match to my skill set. Let me just click the group name to see the drop down. The group leader is Emma, and I know her. So I think I will join her group. So I click send request to them. And waiting for their approval.
Emma now goes back and checks the join group request.
I see that I have already received a join group request from Emily, and after looking through her profile, I think her skills and programming language is quite matched with what our group is looking for, so I decided to accept her join group request. So after accepting her join group request, we can see that in our group dashboard, the group members added Emily as the new group members, and now we have 3 group members now.
2 hours later.
Hey Jihong, have you found your perfect teammates this quarter?
Yeah, I just used the groupmate, and it's really
Oh, really?
excellent for me to find an excellent team for my project.
Great.